Ready to turn those everyday moments into photographic masterpieces with your Nikon D3500? Let's dive straight into unlocking the full potential of your D3500. Starting with the heart of your creative, control the shooting mode dial. The icons you see here are your gateway to different shooting styles. Auto mode is great for point-and-shoot simplicity. But to truly elevate your photography, let's explore the creative modes. Program Auto, or P, is your first step. Pin to manual control. It still picks aperture and shutter speed, but you can adjust the combination to influence depth of field and motion blur. Aperture priority is where you gain control over how much of your scene is in focus. A wider aperture, like f/18, creates that beautiful blurred background, perfect for portraits. Shutter priority S lets you dictate how long the sensor is exposed to light. A fast shutter speed freezes action, while a slower one can capture the flow of movement. And for complete creative freedom, there's manual mode M. Here, you control both aperture and shutter speed, giving you ultimate command over your image. Don't forget your ISO. This setting determines your camera's sensitivity to light. Lower ISOs in bright conditions mean cleaner images, while higher ISOs are essential for low light shooting, though they can introduce noise. Mastering autofocus is crucial. Use the directional buttons to select your focus point for portraits. Aim for the eyes to ensure your subject is sharp. Finally, to ensure your colors are true to life, explore the white balance settings. Whether you're under indoor lighting or bright sunlight, selecting the right white balance makes all the difference. With these essential settings and creative modes, you're well on your way to capturing stunning photos with your Nikon D3500. Subscribe for more photography tips and tricks.